Hi, my name is Erika, and I'm so excited to announce I have been invited to join the Paper Issues design team. So this will be my very first challenge with them, called Making a List and Checking It Twice, which is all about involving lists of all kinds. All materials that can be found on the Paper Issue shop will be linked below. If you use my code LUCKY, you'll get a sweet 20% discount. Anyone who knows me in real life knows that I use my planner quite frequently. It is very full of lists of all kinds, so I knew I wanted to create a mini planner element. It's just a sheet out of my very own planner and 7 strips of this fiber glued on the back side of the paper. While that is drying, I am going to make a mini pen, which is basically 2 pieces of cardstock paper rolled into each other and glued. I also took silver Nuvo and drew a little line down the pen cap to mimic a pocket clip. While my pen is drying, I'm going to bring my planner element back over and finish gluing the rings on the back side of the notebook. This twine was absolutely perfect because it was thinner, but it still was rigid, so it gave me the look of notebook rings. So I was actually pretty surprised and pretty pleased. Which, by the way, these tweezers are amazing. If you have not scrapped with tweezers, you need to try some out. They are also found in the store. Now, before placing my mini planner down onto my page, I did fussy blade some elements on the bottom flower wreath. I just think that looks super fun and adds a little bit more dimension to the page. My title will take up the left side of the page along with other elements I'll be fussy blading out. But unfortunately, the camera stopped recording. I am so sorry about that. But I'm excited to knock another bucket list item off of my channel, as I have made my very first page without any photos. The title reads, "I got 99 problems, but a list ain't one." Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my very first challenge as part of this new team, and that you check out the Paper Issue store below. Thanks so much. I'll see you next time. Bye!